Today you will learn how to correctly pronounce Wisconsin. How to pronounce Wisconsin American English pronunciation lesson. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to learn how to pronounce the word Wisconsin correctly in English. Wisconsin is a state located in the northern region of the United States known for its dairy production, scenic lakes, and strong Midwestern culture. The pronunciation of Wisconsin can be tricky for English learners due to the unique vowel sounds and syllable stress. The correct way to say it is Wisconsin, with the emphasis on the second syllable con. Some people mistakenly pronounce it as Wisconsin or Wisconsin, but those are incorrect. Let's break it down. Wis, like whisk, then con, as in conversation, and finally sin, like the word sin. Repeat with me. Wisconsin, Wisconsin, Wisconsin. Practice saying it slowly and clearly at first, then try to say it naturally in full sentences. For example, I'm traveling to Wisconsin this summer. Mastering the pronunciation of U.S. place names helps build your confidence, especially when speaking with native English speakers or discussing travel, culture, or geography. This video is part of our comprehensive series on American English pronunciation, so be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos just like this. You're doing an amazing job. Keep practicing, and you'll get it perfect in no time.